Hey people, welcome back again. This is before checking the Interceptor where I went to the showroom HSR services, which is located in Larbag Road. Yes, in fact, I had decided to buy an Interceptor, and it was in my mind for almost 2.5 years back. Went to check up the bike and the accessories, everything. Uh, do watch my video. We'll explain as and when it goes. This is the color which I was looking. It's called Orange Crush. Yes, it made me a fan of this color actually. In fact, they told the bike is available, which is immediate. But I want it on January 14th, which was an auspicious day. Uh, do check out the accessories, the riding gears, and whatnot. This showroom has got everything: the t-shirts, the jeans, the helmets, and the keychains. Oh man, the big day has arrived. Oh my god. It's almost a month been waiting for this day. And yes, this is the day. Yeah, that's my bike which is standing. Ooh, can't wait to ride on. Uh, Today they had almost 11 deliveries in that showroom. And this is Trishul. Trishul very helped me out from the day one of my booking till the delivery date. Is the manager of this HSR Lalbagh. Very humble. Meet him to experience more. He is Ashish, my fellow rider who rides an Harley, and Mr. Manjunath, he rides an Meteor 350. And celebrations begins. Now, watch on. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Celebration for his delivery.
Here's Mr. Ravi Kumar. Surprised Mr. Mahesh, Mr. Hemant Puji, Chetan, Anthony, Mr. Krishnamurthy Masood. Mr. Basar Magendra, who's always late for our rides. So, and Mr. Satish Reddy. The celebration starts. Enjoy the video. And take a few minutes and keep watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. And happy Pongal to each and everyone. Money comes and goes, but friends never actually. Friends are not born, they're made. They're made for life. Yes, this shows, commitment towards our friendship.
Hey, Martin! Hey! Babargi! Yes, sir. 50 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಭಯಂಕರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ.
Oh, Ravi, this is being most surprised event actually. Oh my god, never expected. Thank you so much. There are no words actually. Please Prajwal, he takes care of the rides. In future, if you are coming for any rides, you can meet him at this HSR Lalbagh. I think most of the people in this showroom are very humble. Met everyone.
ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ
Mr.
ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್
This is the day when you take a delivery. You should be happy. It's like a happy moment. And these people made me unhappy for the entire process.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಮೀಟರು, ಓಡೋಮೀಟರ್ ಫೋಕಸ್, ಓಡೋಮೀಟರ್ ಜೀರೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಜೀರೋ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಗೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಅಣ್ಣ ಸಾಕು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ರ.
ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಸೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಲೋ ಬೀಮು, ಹೈ ಬೀಮು, ಕಿಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಬನ್ನಿ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂತು.
After celebration, definitely you need to go to a temple, visit a temple. And this temple is located in Baswangudi. I always do a puja, which is the Ganesha temple, which is in Baswangudi. And as you are aware, this temple, it's a famous for Katlaka worship. And finally, the puja is getting done to My Interceptor. And after this, no more looking back. There's a rise after this curfew being lifted. Right, sir, guys. Let's meet soon on road once these COVIDs are gone. Thank you. Have a nice day. And thanks for all the team, my friends who've been together for the photo celebrations. Thank you.
ಅದೇದು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ?
ಇದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
ಗಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ ಗಾಡಿನ, ಆ ಕಾಯಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಗಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.